we found something really cool, possibly, on the way home from Seneca Lake, and it's the Montezuma Heritage Park.
And there's actually like 11 trails.
There's like 11 trails here.
So we probably won't do 11 today, but we can do at least one, maybe two, depending, I suppose. Number 2 straight, 7 is 2 that way.
We're going to the aqueduct. Okay, we're off.
And a new adventure.
Never know where the hell we're going next.
So Chuck, it looks like maybe we don't have to worry about that today, but I wonder if they do snowmobiles.
Oh, probably.
It's pretty wide.
We have a tree down, so slight obstacle. This thing right here.
Can we get over there or no?
Of course we can get over it. Comes Lori.
Sure, Chuck.
Over the obstacle. No problem.
I do it.
Of course. So it says here, an engineering triumph, 1849 to 1917. Work began on the water bridge in 1849, consisting of building 31 arches spanning almost 900 feet long and 86 feet wide. It only seems fitting to film it. Work began on the water bridge in 1849. There were a total of 31 arches spanning 900 feet long and 86 feet wide. A 100,000 linear feet of wood piling supported the 31 arches. The arches stood 11 feet tall and were 22 feet wide. It was completed in 1856 and cost over $216,000. It was designed by American civil engineer Van Rensselaer Richmond. It replaced the hazards of crossing directly through the Seneca River. You could cross over it instead. Its ruins remind us of the great engineering that was accomplished in the 19th century here in the United States.